how to check the flow rate on a Vaillant heat interface unit. First off, press both these two square buttons together. Use your arrow to go down. You want to go into live monitor, select that. This is telling me the heat pump is currently in operation because the compressor is activated. If you were to go next, this then will just go through various system settings and operations. So it's telling you your pressure in your system. What we want to see is the flow rate. So here we are. This is the current flow rate in the primary flow and return. This needs to be a minimum of 800. At the moment in the property we're in, the heating is in operation and it's telling us the flow and return is circulating at 884 litres an hour. And you just press back to go out of this.